Hi guys, you made it so far. So this is our first and last video. And for this part, we will be using Curviloft. Let's start with our front profile lines, offset at 3 meters and 3 meters. To generate the skin, let's pick the very first option under Curviloft, Loft by Splines. Select the lines one by one, then hit enter. Marami tayong settings dito na pwede nyong i-explore. It could look like this variant, this one, or this one. Once you're happy with the preview, just hit enter and reverse the face para tamang orientation. Now, why don't we try adding more guidelines to make it even more dynamic? Let's start the tool again. Click the lines. Hit enter and let's shape it just like the other complex models we made earlier. Press enter to finalize. Then use joint push-pull to give it a thickness of 0.60 meters. Next, let's run lines to tube via JHS power bar. Mapapansin nyo ang nagiging alignment ng structural support dito is quite different compared to our previous methods. Ito naman sumusunod sa loft typology pattern ng model. If you don't like this look, you can easily copy and replace the structural frame from our earlier methods. Let's try another option in Curviloft just to explore. Let's click this. Reverse the face, apply joint push-pull, run lines to tube, and it's done. Ngayon, nakompleto na natin ang 4 different workflows. I-arrange naman natin all the models we work on side by side. And let's try to render them using Enscape. For this showcase, we will use a warm wood texture as our primary roof material. Then let's apply it to all the models. Wow, look at that. Let's compare them. As you can see, each method gives a completely distinct geometric vibe. To avoid that blocky or pixelated look on the edges of the bubbles or loops, we can easily smooth it out using the softening options here in the JHS power bar. There you go, look at the transition. It looks so much natural, fluid, and absolutely stunning in both interior and exterior shots. Let's try to temporarily hide the column and compare the structural logic again. Seriously, once you present renders that look this complex and fluid, people will really look up you now. Word will spread across your blog that you are an absolutely beast at modeling and that you have a secret workflow because your design looks like they took a whole week to build when you actually finished them in just a few minutes. Voila! Congrats on making it this far in our mini course. I really hope you learned a lot of premium tips for me that you can instantly apply to your next studio design plates or design thesis submissions. Thank you so much guys, and let's keep upgrading your 3D skills. See you around!